Most people fail online because they don't know how to start without money or experience. They think making money online is complicated, risky, or only for experts. But the truth is, there is a much simpler way to get started. This method is called affiliate marketing, and it's beginner-friendly. Affiliate marketing means promoting products you don't own. You share a simple link, and the system does the hard work for you. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission automatically. No inventory, no shipping, and no customer support required. You don't need to create products or build complicated systems. All you need is the right platform to get started correctly. A good platform helps you manage links, pages, and automation easily. This removes confusion and saves you a lot of time. Even complete beginners can start without technical skills. You can build your affiliate system without paying upfront costs. This is one of the fastest ways to start making money online today. You can manage everything from your phone or your computer. With consistency, this system can grow into real online income. Check the link in the description and start your affiliate journey today.